All successful businesses share one common quality, which is reliable accounting. And naturally, for a business to survive, it has to at least generate just as much money as it spends. For that reason, in this episode of Explained, we will talk about two related concepts called CapEx and OpEx. CapEx stands for capital expenditures, and put simply, it is the money spent. And for a company, that money is used for buying or improving assets. To understand this term, remember three things. First, it will help the business generate revenue and economic benefits, as well as cut costs in the long run. Second, it has a value attached to it. Value means that the asset can also be sold to generate money. Third, the value of the asset should serve the company for more than a year. Take the example of a startup bakery. Let's say it costs $10,000 for the appliances needed, such as a baking oven or a fridge. Your accountants will not deduct them in full as the expenditure occurs. Instead, they will recognize their value from cash to fixed assets, which means as a business, you're not losing money. Well, at least, not yet. The assets decrease in value or performance with time, which means that they will deduct its depreciation periodically. At the end of the year, the accountants will allocate, let's say, $2,000 from the appliance's cost as depreciation, in other words, money lost, to reflect the actual reduction of its value due to wear and tear. Now, your bakery will need a baker and ingredients to generate revenue. The monthly salary of the baker and the cost of the ingredients are treated differently. They are considered cost of goods sold, COGS, or OpEx. OpEx is recognized every time you pay the baker's salary and every time he submits his grocery receipts to the accountant for reimbursement. Your accountant will deduct these costs from the bakery's cash immediately, which will lead to a decrease in equity, reducing the bakery's net income by the same amount. So the next time you're enjoying a fresh piece of pastry, remember that spending money in a business falls under capital expenditure CapEx and operational cost OpEx. So when creating a business, always make sure you are maintaining what you acquire.